Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. So I got up the other morning going to go to work, and I noticed that my bike was kind of hard to push backward. And I thought, what in the world, did I have a flat? So I go and look at the bike, roll the back tire, and here's what I have. That little bugger right there. Drove it right in. I don't know where I got it at, but it's inside about an inch. So it's probably a 16 nail. Man, my tires were getting pretty wore down anyway, so close enough to time for me to change them out. Let's see here. I have got 2,396 miles, basically 2,400 miles. So what I opted to do is go with the Tusk DSport, or Tusk DSport adventure tires. And man, there's a big difference in tread. These things, even I compared them to a new one of the IRCs, and they are way more lugs here than they are on the IRC. These are 120/90/18s. The front up there is a 90/90/21. We'll compare this thing here compared to the stock. Of course, my stock is almost wore out, but a lot more open tread. Ought to have a lot more bite off-road. The depth of the tread should wear a lot longer. And they're actually a really stiff tire as far as putting them on. It was not too easy to put these on because they are so stiff. But I did get them mounted. Got new heavy-duty tubes in it. And I am ready to go. If you can see the front here. On the front, of course, same amount of miles compared to the Tusk, new. But they still had a lot of wear really in the front. But they're so close together, you see how close this gap is here compared to this big wide gap here. So off-road, this is going to have a lot better bite than these IRCs that come factory on the bike. So it ought to be a lot better tire, I hope. So we're going to give these a try, and later on I'll do a review of how I like them, how they feel with the traction and all that. But they look a lot better. And there's no nail in it, so I can ride now. I've been a week without riding because of that stupid flat. I had to order some tubes, front and rear. I already had the tires, but I thought I had a front tube, and I didn't. So I ordered some tubes, got them all installed today, which, like I said, was a pretty good task because them are some stiff tires. Thank you guys for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Check out the links below where you can check these out on